What's up, online shoppers? If you want to start getting compliments on your skin for being glowing and fresh faced, I may just have unlocked a secret. I want to let you in on my favorite skincare product. Now this here I purchased with my own money about 6 months ago, and I have absolutely been obsessed with the results. Truthfully, I feel like I'm aging backwards. And at 51 years old, I'll take every year backwards I can get. I haven't done a single professional treatment. It's all thanks to this one system that I found, the QURE system. It is absolutely an awesome microneedling system that you can also do some add-ons with that makes my skin glow. Now, if you want that post-facial glow without paying in-spa prices, this system might become, just like mine, your new skincare obsession. After 6 months of using this consistently, every 2 weeks, I cannot recommend this system enough. Let me show you how it works. More importantly, what it's done for my skin. Now, I bought the QURE Microinfusion System 6 months ago, and it comes to you in a box like this. Each kit comes with 6 single-use microneedling heads, a refillable glass vial, and your choice of 2 serums. This one here is the one for wrinkles, but I am considering switching over to the other one for dark spots because it does contain human growth factors, which I think really move the needle in skincare. Now, a word of caution. Each set comes with only one of these threaded vials right here, so you're going to have to repeat the use of this every time. Now, as far as my setup process goes, very first, before anything else, I wash my hands to make sure they're clean, and I sanitize my application bottle with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. A word to the wise, this little bottle right here is the only thing that repeats between sessions, so I always try to do a good thorough clean prior to and after using it to make sure that I minimize the risks of getting any contaminants in my skincare. This is what the little serum looks like, and that's the one for wrinkles, and there's a little arrow right here on the label. You want to make sure you pull that one back because that is going to be how you get this metallic wrap that's around it off. Now, if I had one complaint about this system, it's this. I really wish that the microneedling tops would screw in here instead of having to put my serum into here all the time. So here is the microneedling top right here. You can see that it has those little needles so that you can handle this without picking yourself. Remove the little rubber stopper here, pour the serum into the bottle here, and then we're going to twist on the microneedling top. Let's get ready to microneedle. And here we go. These are my results 1 hour later. So you can see that some of the redness has subsided. The skin on my neck is a lot more sensitive than the skin on my face. Sometimes when I'm doing the microneedling, if I don't pull it directly out and instead down a little bit, it can create a little bit of a scrape, but that's okay because the next day you can't even notice it. My skin feels very plumped, and you can see I have that really nice glassy kind of a glow to it. That is in part to the serum, but it also is my skin starting to kick in with the benefits from the microneedling. I really do love the glow that it creates and how it makes my skin feel more plump, more moisturized, and I really do like the way it looks, especially on video and in pictures. I definitely don't have the time to go booking spa appointments because I do lead a very busy life, and this QURE system does a really great job of making sure that I can still pamper myself and fit it into my busy lifestyle. It's relatively quick. When I do it, I usually go over my entire face 3 or 4 times with the serum. Truthfully, I usually go until there's just a tiny little bit left at the end, and then I take it out and I pat it all over my face. And truthfully, I love to listen to a podcast or an audiobook while I'm doing it because then I'm multitasking and getting 2 things done at once. Now, I am going to switch up my routine a little bit in the coming weeks and give the dark spot serum a try so I can see what the difference is between the two and how those human growth factors impact the overall look of my skin. I'm back from my session yesterday. You can see that my skin looks instantly refreshed. I love that it's brighter, tighter, feels more plump, and I really do see the impact the next day. Most of the redness is gone. You can see that it's just smooth and fresh looking, and I feel younger after I've done this. Basically, it's a little reboot without actually doing anything that's super dramatic. I love the subtle effect of the QURE microsystem. It definitely is subtle, but it is noticeable. It's a nice soft glow. It's a smoother texture on your skin, and I find it to be even a little bit more of an even tone throughout, especially the day after. Now, even in the winter when my skin feels tight and dry and kind of dull, I find that this really does impact it and make it feel brighter and more hydrated. And it's not just about a one-time result either. The more I've used it, the more I feel like my skin has kept that youthful glow. Now, you have to remember the most important thing is consistency. It is hard to believe and awesome to see that what goes on from this little ampule, for me, it's pretty awesome that what comes in this little ampule and what happens after we do this little micro infusion can have such a significant impact on the overall look and appearance of my skin. I want to remind you that this isn't something that's gifted. I purchased this with my own money because I was convinced that it was something that could make a significant impact in my overall appearance, and I tell you, it is money well spent. This is hands down my favorite skincare routine of all. I've tried lots of things. things. I've tried wands, I've tried serums, I've tried red light devices. And while I do have the QURE red light device, this little ampule right here, this has been what moved the needle for me and was a difference maker. So what's my quick verdict on this? Well, after 6 months plus of use, if you're looking for something that's practical, that's low maintenance, and that's quite easy to do in your own home, this one here by QURE is super easy. This little microinfusion system from QURE is definitely a game changer. And besides, you are getting multiple sessions in one kit like this, and the results feel worth it every single time I use it. So if you're curious about getting pro level skincare at home, this one is totally worth a look. For me, this is the secret to aging backwards, getting compliments on my skin, and having my friends ask me all the time, what are you doing? Your skin is radiant. So for me, this one here, this microinfusion system from QURE, is definitely a family favorite at my house. Check out the link in the description below to buy what you've just seen. Scan the QR code to move on over to my Amazon storefront, where you will find carefully curated lists of all my family's favorites. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got a question about this product, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.